na naman tayo sa awarding ceremony ng Silang Town Fiesta. Ngayong araw to, magkita-kita na tayo doon sa stage ng awarding ceremony para sa Silang Town Fiesta ngayong araw na to. Let's go guys, punta na tayo doon.
Major Award.
The major.
That's your Major Award. Third place goes to Santa Kapitan 77 Incorporated.
Wala. Naharap eh.
Award second place goes to second place goes to Citizens Brigade of Dasmariñas. For best drum major award goes to first place goes to Music Foundation
At hindi, nakakatanda.
winners for best drum major award.
Yun guys, tapos na po yung awarding ceremony ng Silang Town Fiesta at nakauwi na din tayo. Thank you for watching this video. Please come like and share na din po ang Mulari Elgin de Guzman Vlogs, Elgin DG Vlogs. Thank you for watching guys, and please support our Facebook page Elgin DG Vlogs and our YouTube channel Elgin DG Vlogs din po. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe button para lagi kayo updated sa akin mga videos. Bye-bye!